Hello friends, this is Prasanjeet from my fitness channel Mr. Natural Banana. Hope you all doing well. So you must be thinking what I'm doing in my kitchen today. I'll explain what I'm doing here. Before that, every fitness enthusiast who want to make good bodies, this is the place where they build their good bodies. So today I'm gonna step up a game of a very Indian traditional food called Khichdi, and I'm gonna call it the super Khichdi, a food which will be very high in protein, dietary fiber and carbohydrates. So I'll ask all of my friends to continue this video till the end so you know how I prepare it and how you can go back and prepare yourself and eat this healthy food every day in your lunch or in your post-workout whatsoever, or in whichsoever ways you like to continue every day. So I'm gonna show you today how we can make a high protein nutritional khichdi, in Hindi as we say normally, or in English a hodgepodge. And trust me guys, this would be a very high in protein. So what we're gonna do, how you're gonna start, we will take quinoa. Now I hope you all know quinoa. As you can see here, I'm using for this recipe called Organic India quinoa. And if you know or not, quinoa is basically like dalia, which tastes a little weird. If you have ate a sushi, the caviar, it tastes like that, which pops in the mouth. But other than that, it have no taste like fish. By the way, a disclaimer: it's completely vegetarian and very healthy and rich in nutritional value. If I take you through this nutritional value, as you can see here, if my camera can capture, it has got every 100 gram of serving gives you 13 to 14 grams of protein. Apart from that, you also getting healthy fiber. There is no cholesterol at all, and most importantly, you're also getting fiber. It gives you fiber, but it doesn't show. Dietary fiber, 19.8 grams of fiber. That's quite amazing, guys. That's quite amazing. So what you gotta do, you're gonna use I don't know how to place my camera in. Sorry about moving the camera a lot. I will edit a bit. Shit. So I spilled a bit. Sorry about that guys. I still do not have enough equipment to record a video. So this looks like this quinoa, as you can see. It looks like sagudana, the porridge. It takes time, so I'll take a serving scoop for this. So this gives like 25 grams. So I will take 2 scoops of it. Then I'm also gonna mix some red rice. If you've heard of red rice is a little starchy. It doesn't give you that much of protein, but still it's a very healthy rice rather than taking white rice or chapati. So I would not take more than 1 scoop for red rice. I'm just adding a red rice in it, so it can bring a little starchy taste and and little texture like sushi rice. I like the stickiness in rice. Next I'm gonna add brown rice. Now if you know, I'm using this aeroplane brown basmati natural healthy rice. So if you look at the nutritional content or the nutritional value, it gives you like 10 grams of protein in 100 gram serving. Not bad, pretty good, of 100 gram rice. So I've been eating brown rice for a while now, so I know how much I have to put. So this is not, I'm not making this as serving for only one time. I'm making it a serving so that I can continue at least 4 to 5 times or 2 to 3 days of load. That's how I try to prepare, because I'm quite lazy in a way, and I don't want to cook food in my every meal. Instead, I prefer to cook them in advance and keep it stocked for 2 to 3 days. Then I'm adding lentils, mixed lentils. So it has all different 4 to 5 different kinds of lentils added to it. And if you know or not, a fun fact, lentils got same amount of value like brown rice got around 10 grams of protein in every 100 gram of serving. So you can see it here. Finally, I'm gonna add kidney beans. That's like a super king when it comes to provide you. Sorry, those are flax seeds. I'm not adding them. I was talking about kidney beans. So kidney beans, you see that? So now kidney beans provide you the highest amount of protein, man. It's like a gem of a food. It gives you everything. It gives you fiber, protein, everything. I would not go into detail about the nutritional value, because I would mostly talk about the protein which is building block for our cell. So protein is very important. As you know, in Indian diet we eat less protein and eat more carbs, so there is not a balance of nutrition in our food. Now coming back again to kidney beans, 100 grams of kidney beans serving gives you at least 24 grams of protein. That's like a scoop of whey protein, guys. Though it's on the serving, like consuming 100 grams of protein, you would get 24 grams of 100 grams of kidney beans consuming gives you 24 grams of protein. So comparatively, it's a lot. It's a very higher amount of proteins as per the serving you can expect to get from it. So now, as you can see, all these are mixed up. Okay, you can give a stir with your hand and mix it, or you can also, you don't have to count serving wise. As I have told you, you can put according to your own choice, whatever taste you like the most. If you like quinoa most, you can put more quinoa. If you like it, so that's how it's gonna look like, guys. It would look like khichdi only, as you can see, and it is very tasty to eat. Tasty maybe for me, I'm not sure about you, but at least I can guarantee you it's very nutritious. Unless white rice, which gives you insulin spike, it would not give you such insulin spike. Instead, it would give you good amount of fiber and obviously protein. For especially for people who on Tuesdays or any religious days do not prefer to eat non-veg items, they can definitely eat this high protein khichdi or hodgepodge along with other vegetables or salad, however you prefer to eat. So that's it, guys, for now. Hope you would enjoy this video. I would try to come more innovative videos in future. Meanwhile, I would still apologize for the shot. They are not that stable or not in focus all the time because I do not have enough equipment. But yeah, I'll assure you to improve on this logistics very soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys. And one thing before I go, again, if you like my videos, please comment, like, share with your friends, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell which will keep you updated about my latest videos. Thank you, my friends.